One way you can cook canned chickpeas is on the stovetop. First, drain the chickpeas in a strainer and rinse them off with cool water. Pour the chickpeas into a large pan so they're in a single layer, then fill the pan with enough water to just cover the chickpeas. Heat the chickpeas over medium heat for 5 minutes. Finally, drain the chickpeas in a strainer and transfer them to a bowl. You can also bake canned chickpeas in the oven. Start by draining the chickpeas and rinsing them off with cool water. Then, dry off the chickpeas with paper towels, which will help them get crispy in the oven. Spread the chickpeas out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Then, drizzle them with olive oil and season them with salt, pepper, and your favorite seasonings. Bake the chickpeas at 365 degrees Fahrenheit, 185 degrees Celsius, for 1 hour or until they're nice and crisp. Finally, remove the chickpeas from the oven and let them cool before eating them.